In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in ClipChamp. A freeze frame is a simple way to pause action at an exact moment, highlight a detail, or give yourself a beat for on-screen text or voiceover. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, so your freeze looks clean and intentional, and your audio stays in sync. Start by opening ClipChamp in your browser and loading your video project. If you're starting fresh, import your footage, then drag your clip onto the timeline so it sits on the main video track. Make sure you can see the clip clearly in both the timeline and the preview window. This makes the next steps much easier. Now move to the precise moment you want to freeze. Drag the playhead along the timeline until the preview shows the exact frame you want to hold. For accuracy, use the timeline zoom controls so each tiny movement reveals fewer frames at a time. You can also nudge the playhead bit by bit until the subject looks perfect. The more precise you are here, the better your freeze will feel. With the playhead right on that frame, split the clip. Click the split tool, the scissors icon, to cut the clip at that exact point. This creates a clean separation so you can insert the still image exactly where the freeze should begin without disturbing the earlier part of the clip. In the preview window, keep the video pause on that same frame and click Take Snapshot, the camera icon. This captures an image of the current frame and sends it to your media library. The snapshot will match your project's resolution, so it blends seamlessly with your footage. Find the snapshot in your media library and drag it onto the timeline directly after the split. Place it so it touches the end of the first piece of your clip with no gaps. If your original clip has audio, leave the audio track playing underneath so the sound continues naturally while the video holds on the still. To control how long the freeze lasts, click the snapshot on the timeline and drag its right edge outward. The longer the still image, the longer the freeze. Adjust it to match your storytelling. Just a beat for emphasis or several seconds for on-screen text. For extra smoothness, you can add a subtle transition into or out of the freeze and make sure any voiceover or music cues align with the hold. Play it back to confirm the timing feels right. And that's it. A clean, professional freeze frame in ClipChamp.